Good afternoon, guys. I just want to get on and kind of show you what the expectations are for this week's assignments and to just kind of go through everything with you guys, okay? So once you log on to your CTC page, go to Blackboard, click on our anatomy physiology, and then as always, you're going to click the assignment tab, scroll all of the way down to e-learning week 33 assignments. Once you click that, you're going to see the agenda for the week. And again, guys, the agenda is just going to be here as just like we would do everything at school on Mondays for where you would be getting your assignments and everything for the week. This is basically the same document. So you don't have to do anything with this. This is just letting you know what the expectations. We will be having another Zoom meeting on Wednesday at 10 o'clock. So here's the invitation for that. Please note that I added that you have to have a password so that you can join the meeting just for safety reasons. And then, guys, as always, the meetings are recorded. They are not required that you attend, but if you do attend, please make sure that you have questions that you may have about the assignments so that we can get through the meeting in 40 minutes or less, because that's the time that we have. Also, here are the CK12 instructions on what you guys need to do. So I did a written version of this for you guys, and then also a version for the video. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to go to CK12, okay? And everybody at this point has hopefully made an account for our class. So your view is going to be different than what you're seeing on my screen because I'm the teacher and you're the student. So once you go to the assignment, you are going to go down here to female reproductive, okay? You're going to click on the female reproductive system. You're going to read all of this information through here, okay? Once you have that read, you will click out. You're going to do the adaptive practice. Work through that as much as you can. Watch the video, okay? So you'll click it, watch the video. And then you will also come down here to female reproductive organs. You'll click either one of them that you want to read. You will read through it. You can't, oh, goodness, sorry. Do the adaptive practice. There are 2 videos here. There's also this, you don't have to do the activity. But then there's also this study aid. There's also a study aid on the male reproductive system as well. So you can click download the study aid and it comes up, and you'll obviously have to increase the magnification of your screen. But all of this information is there for you. So it's just a little handy tool to help you get through that if you want it, okay? Once you have all of this complete, you will then, and you've read through everything, you're then going to go to your e-learning week 33, and you will do your female reproductive system notes. So here will be where you're going to get a grade. Okay, so you'll answer all of these questions. The pictures are showing up, thankfully, this time, so that's good. And then there's one other assignment. Yes, I want to leave. Oh, I didn't want to leave the entire thing. Oh, sorry. Let me go back in. So you're also going to be doing this female reproductive system, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click this. You're going to open up that document, and you are going to have to type in the text box, and once your cursor is there, you're going to label what this is, okay? So once you have all of this complete, and again, you're going to have to be sure that your cursor shows up. I went through and made these all text boxes. So once your text box shows up and everything's good to go, and you fill out this section down here, again, a text box, you're going to come up and you're going to save as. Once you go to save as, pick the location on your computer that you would like to save it. So I'm going to save mine in my e-learning week 33. And what I would ask that you guys do is when you submit this, put your first and last name in here. If I could spell my name, that would be fantastic. You'll put your first and last name in here and then save it. And then once you have that saved, okay, so you'll click out of it, you'll come back here, and then this is a work submission, okay? So, please download the Word document. So, once you'll click here, I need anatomy, physiology, and here's my document, okay? Then it's here, so what you'll do is you'll come down here, you will click submit, and because I'm in a preview screen, mine is not submitting, but you will submit yours, and then your response will be sent to me. And I'm pretty sure I set that as 2 submissions in case you guys have difficulties. But again, if you do, just let me know, and we'll figure out how to fix the solution, or the problem, find a solution, rather. Okay, so again, once you go, once you're on week 33, you'll have your agenda, our Zoom meeting if you would like to attend, the instructions for what to do on CK12 in a written form. You'll also have access to this video. You will download this, answer all of the questions in Blackboard, or sorry, through Word document, which should be already on your laptop. And then you will save it with your first and last name. You will submit that document to me. This will be for a grade. Your reproductive system notes, again, this is just there in case you need it, but I went ahead and put them up. And then this you will also get graded on, okay? And these have, again, this one has 2 attempts. This one has 3 attempts. So if you have any questions about any of it, guys, please let me know. The Zoom meeting is not required, but if you have questions and you would like to ask Wednesday, there is that option as well. I hope all of you are doing well and that you're staying healthy. I miss you guys, and hopefully this video is helpful. Again, let me know if it's not, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.